You've read the books, watched the videos, made the plans, and still nothing moves. Not because you're not smart enough, not because you don't work hard enough, but because no one ever told you your money situation is an inside job. The budgets, the strategies, the morning routines, they only work once the inside shifts. And that's the part most channels skip. This channel is about going there. No noise, no overwhelm. We'll draw from people who understood this long before it was a trend, and we'll make it real, practical, and yours. Before you do anything else, take 60 seconds right now. Write down one belief you have about money that you know isn't serving you. That's where we start, from within.